In this video, we'll show you how to use Qlik Answers to run end-to-end machine learning workflows, from exploring your data to deploying a model and running predictions, all in a natural language chat experience. Before you start, make sure your tenant has cross-region inference enabled, your subscription has capacity for Qlik Answers, and you have the right permissions for both Qlik Answers and Qlik Predict assets. To get started, open Answers. In the drop-down menu, select Predict to open the Predict agent in the chat interface. Step 1 is exploring your dataset. You don't need to know the exact dataset name. You can simply ask, "Show me the available datasets for training." Once you've picked a dataset, ask for insights. The agent will surface data quality information and highlight candidate fields. You can also ask for a target recommendation. What column do you recommend to use as the target? This is especially useful if you're new to machine learning. Step 2 is training your experiment. Once you have a dataset and target in mind, simply describe your objective. For example, I want to predict customer churn. The agent will configure and run the experiment for you. While training runs, you can monitor training and view results as models complete. Once training is complete, step 3 is analyzing the model. Ask, what is the best model in this experiment? The agent will explain the result in plain language. No data science background needed. You can go deeper by asking about metrics and feature importance. Which features have the strongest impact on this model? Step 4 is deploying your model. Ask, deploy the best model for this experiment. The agent will ask you to confirm before proceeding. Once deployed, the model is activated automatically as predictions are created. Now you can run batch predictions. Ask, run predictions with this deployment. The agent will search for compatible applied datasets and list them for you to choose from. To check the results, ask, show me my latest predictions for this deployment. The agent will surface the prediction output directly in the chat. And that's the full machine learning workflow in Qlik Answers, from dataset exploration to training, analysis, deployment, and predictions, all through natural language. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.